No, not really. In the essence, the arrangements for polling on all these wards which are now going for poll on 1st of July, the arrangements were already made by the returning officers. We have reviewed. And only thing is that those arrangements will get postponed for holding the poll on 1st of July.
Okay.
So it doesn't impact the functioning of either the returning officer or the election commission as such. So these polls will be taken on 1st of July if required. And suppose there is some uncontested ward, then of course it is announced that day. Otherwise, counting will be done on 2nd of July. The panchayats and the wards which are going for polls on 11th of June, that is the coming Sunday, all arrangements have been made. We have reviewed the arrangements. Observers are visiting all the ROs and the polling stations and also the counting halls to confirm that the counting arrangements are also in place. So we are well prepared. We are geared to hold the poll in a peaceful manner on 11th of June.
Do you all feel rain can spoil havoc?
I think rains in Goa are to be enjoyed. Rains are to be enjoyed, and I feel that the democracy is in very vibrant stage in Goa, and the people do come out during rains, and I hope and I appeal to all the people to come and vote in this poll so that the grassroots institutions, the democratic institutions which are going to polls are made stronger, and their presence itself will make this as a celebration.